Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set your aquarium so it looks super cozy in Heartopia. So I've placed 4 tiles here, so it's 4 by 1. And then I've placed 8 ocean cabinets here, but make them like a little bit more protruding than the wall. Then we're just going to add some flooring here. Then we're going to add in a tall wall, and you can use whatever color you want. I'm just going to use this, and I'm just going to place it kind of all around, but I'm gonna just place it like this first, and I want to make sure that the other side is also the same. So let's place it like this first because we want to be able to access the back part of it. Then we are going to get the large fish tank and we're just going to place it in the middle of everything. Make sure it's facing the right way. So let's rotate that again. Okay, that is the right way. Then we're also going to add some low walls on the top. I'm just going to make sure it's the same as the rest. I'll make sure on the sides as well actually while we're at it. Like so. Okay, we need to add one more on this side. And I think I'm just gonna get my brush here and I'm going to use that same one on the other side. Okay, next we're going to get a window. We're going to use this one. This was like a past thing, but hopefully you did get it. The modular adjustable window, and we're going to do 2 by 2, and I'm just going to color it so it looks similar to the rest here. Confirm. Whoa, I zoomed in quite a lot there. So it looks like this. All right, and then here I'm just going to remove the sides, and I'm also just going to replace the bottom part with this over here. Okay. Next, we are going to want to glitch the fish tank. Hopefully, what the, okay. I don't know why it's not, oh, my Wi-Fi. Okay, that, that explains it. Hold on, let me re-glitch it again. There we go. And it's going to be up there, that's good. And we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So, okay, I accidentally placed these when it's for later. Sorry about that. And again, for the top part of it. And then let's get some windows. Here for the back. Okay, good. Next, we are actually going to put this to the side first because we're going to place some pillars. We're going to grab the wooden pillar and we're just going to make sure our precision is on. We're going to place this here and we're going to color that white. You can use any pillars that you'd like, but I'm just choosing this one. And then I'm putting this back where it's supposed to be. And that's just to cover the sides of the aquarium. Oh my gosh, I forgot. I need to add 2 floors here. So 1, 2. And then I'll put the pillars back here and I'm just gonna make it like 1 bit shorter. So I can place it here. Whoops. And then the other pillar, we're also going to place this on the back. side of the aquarium, or unless if you have a wall there, just like ignore the back and just leave it. There and there. All right, and I'm just gonna place the walls back. It doesn't actually matter. Okay, and this is just an extra step, but if you want to get the brick pillar and place it on the side here, make sure the color is the same. We're gonna place it all throughout the corners, just like to even everything out, to be honest. And then we're also going to grab the wooden wall sculpture here, and we're just going to place it here. And I think we're going to just leave the sides. Okay, if you want to add like one more here, that's completely fine. I don't know like how good it looks though. Let me actually try to add like maybe this one to give it like more texture. It's pretty dark though. It's like not the same color. Hold on. Whoops. Okay, maybe that looks better. I think I'm gonna add that on the other side as well. Sorry the tutorial is long, by the way. It was very tedious when I first saw it and I wanted to recreate it. Okay, now we need some plants. You can add whatever plants you want. I'm just gonna add this one here. Like, I guess kind of in the middle-ish. Like that. And then I'm also going to place some lights at the top. Okay, let me get some floors first so I can put it on the ceiling here. So I'm able to place the lamp. Okay, the aquarium's still there. Wait, where's my lamp? Hello? Okay, I'm just gonna place it in the center of both. All right, now I'm just going to press complete and hopefully the aquarium will be glitched. All right, and this is what it looks like. I will decorate a little bit and I'll be back with the finished results. And here is the finished results. You can decorate it however you'd like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!